Have you been told you need to cold message strangers to get clients? That's exactly why people never get started. Because it feels awkward, uncomfortable, and honestly, a bit desperate. But what if you could get your first or next client this week without messaging a single stranger, without spending money on ads? And even if you've got no experience. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that using free Facebook groups, how to attract clients to you, what to say even if you're brand new, and how to turn simple posts into paying clients. I've built 3 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, and today run a 1-person agency with 0 employees, using this exact method to get some of my best long-term clients. So here's what we're covering: how to find groups full of your ideal clients, how to stand out so clients come to you, how to confidently answer questions, even when you're not sure, and how to turn those conversations into paying clients with a simple follow-up system. No sales calls needed. Let me start with why this works. Think for a second about what it feels like to receive a message from a stranger. A business owner opens their inbox, there's a message in there from someone they've never heard of, asking for their time and their money, so they ignore it, because that's what everyone does with random messages from random people that they don't know. Now compare that to this. That same business owner is in a Facebook group and posts a question about getting more customers. And underneath their post, that's your answer. It's clear, helpful, specific, there's no pitch, just value. So they read it, they click your profile, and now instead of you chasing them, they're checking you out. That's the shift. You're not interrupting people and hoping to get their attention. You're showing up exactly where they are, already looking for help. And here's why that matters so much. When you send a message to a stranger, you're starting at 0. That person has no idea who you are, no reason to trust you, and no context for why they should care. That is a massive gap to close in a single message, and most of the time, you just can't. But this strategy moves you to the middle step first. Helpful person that I've seen around. And from there, the conversation to client happens naturally. Because now you're not a stranger. You're the person who helped them or who helped someone else in the group last Tuesday or whenever. There are thousands of groups on Facebook right now full of business owners in every industry that you can think of. Plumbers, roofers, dentists, chiropractors, real estate agents, gym owners, salon owners, you name it. Whatever type of business that you want to work with, there's a group for it. Usually several of them. And these groups have hundreds, sometimes thousands of your ideal clients all gathered in one place, talking to each other about the exact problems that you can help them solve. You don't have to build an audience. You can just walk into one that already exists. Okay, so let's put these markers away. We'll hop into my computer now, and I'm gonna walk you through how to actually do this. Step 1 is to find the right groups. Go to the Facebook search bar and type in the type of business you wanna work with. Dentist, plumber, HVAC, roofer, chiropractor, whatever feels right to you. Then click on groups. We'll use dentists here. You're gonna find groups with anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands of members. You can join them all and sort through the good ones later, or you can just join the active ones to start with. You can tell an active group from a dead one pretty quickly. If the most recent post in that group is from 6 months ago, you can probably skip it. You want groups where people are actually posting and commenting. Side note here, some of these groups will ask you a few questions before you join. Usually something like, are you a licensed industry professional? For example, licensed roofer or plumber, chiropractor, whatever. If you have a client in that type of business, you can honestly say that you work with businesses in that space. Most admins aren't checking profiles closely. They just want to keep the obvious spam out. Anyway, my recommendation here is to join 5 to 10 groups to start. You don't need hundreds, you just need a handful of active ones with your ideal clients in them. Step 2, the first week, do nothing. Yes, I know, that sounds wrong. You join these groups thinking, all right, time to get some clients. But if you just start posting straight away, you're gonna miss something important. When I joined my first group, I didn't say anything for a week. I just watched and listened. And within a few days, I started noticing patterns. The same questions just seemed to keep coming up over and over again. Like, how do I get more reviews? Or why aren't my ads working? Or why does my toast always land on the floor, jam side down? That's when it clicked. You don't have to guess what your ideal clients want or what they worry about. They're literally telling you every day in public. So here's what to do. Join those 5 to 10 groups, spend the first few days just reading, and then copy and paste or write down the questions that you see being repeated, because those questions are your content. Those questions are your offers. Those questions are your clients. And then next week, when you see someone ask a question that you can help with, you answer it. Not with a pitch, not with a DM me, but with a genuinely helpful answer. In other words, you want to be specific, be thorough, and write more than anyone else normally would. The person who asked that question might say thank you. But the 200 other business owners in that group who saw your answer, some of them are going to click on your profile. Some of them are going to remember your name, and some of them are going to reach out. One of, if not the biggest mistakes that I see people making when using this strategy is thinking that they're only marketing to one person at a time, so they kind of half-ass their answers. Well, no, you're not marketing to one person. You're marketing to that entire group every time you comment. Step 3, how to answer questions when you're not sure you know the answer. Okay, let's be honest. Especially early on, this is going to happen a lot. Someone's going to ask something and you might think, I don't actually know the answer to that. Here's what I want you to understand. Answering questions is one of the fastest ways to learn. When you commit to answering a question, you go research it, you figure it out, you put it into your own words, and wow, now you actually know the answer. Every question that you answer in a Facebook group makes you better at what you do. That's not a side effect, kind of the whole point. And this strategy pays you in clients and in knowledge at the same time. Now, that said, there is also a shortcut for when you're really stuck and need something fast. Open ChatGPT or Claude or whatever your AI writing tool of choice is and paste this. I'm a marketing consultant who helps type of business get more customers. Someone in a Facebook group just asked this question, then paste the question. Write me a helpful, clear, conversational answer I can post as a comment. Make it sound like a real person, not AI. Keep it under 150 words and don't use bullet points. That'll get you something usable real fast. But, and I do mean this, use this as a band-aid, not a strategy. Real answers that come from your own experience and your own research, well, those build real credibility. AI-generated answers are detectable over time, and people can feel the difference. So use the prompt when you're stuck, then read it, rewrite it in your own words, and make it sound like you. I want to make sure this is crystal clear for you though. So here's the difference between a generic answer that's not going to do anything for you and a real one that actually has the potential to get you more clients. Let's do the generic one first. A response to somebody asking how to grow a landscaping company. The generic bad answer would sound something like this. You should focus on getting more Google reviews and improving your online presence. Reviews are really important for local businesses. Don't even bother with that. Instead, your answer should look and feel a lot more like this. For a landscaping company, the fastest win I've seen is setting up an automated review request that goes out to customers 24 hours after a job is done. Most businesses I work with go from 1 or 2 reviews a month to 15 or 20. Google pays attention to how recently and how often you're getting reviews, so even a month of consistent review flow starts to move the needle on rankings, which means more calls and customers. Same topic, but completely different impact. The specific answer makes you look like someone who's actually done this, because if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you have. Step 4, the video move. This is the part that changes everything, and it's so simple, almost feels like cheating. Most people, when someone asks a question, type out a simple reply, maybe a long reply, maybe paragraph after paragraph, and maybe it helps, but a text message is easy to ignore. A video feels personal. It feels like you made it just for them. So here's the move. When someone in the group asks a question, or when someone messages you after seeing one of your helpful comments, instead of typing out a long explanation, you say, I actually made a short video that covers exactly that. Want me to send it over? Then you record a quick video on your phone or by using free screen capturing software like Loom. Not a fancy production, just you talking through the solution, maybe showing your screen, walking them through exactly how to fix the thing that they asked about. 60 to 90 seconds tops. That's it. And here's the important part. You then take that video and you upload it directly into Facebook Messenger. Don't send a link to another site. You want to upload the actual video file into the message. This is because when you send a link to another site, maybe only 20% of people actually click it. But when you upload that video directly into Messenger, they can just tap play right there without leaving the app. So there's no friction and way more people actually watch it. I've had people watch a 60-second video and reply immediately. Can you just do this for me? No sales call, no pitch, just a 1-minute video. And it works because they just watched someone explain their exact problem and show them how to fix it. And now the only question is whether they want to hire you. You never had to pitch, you never had to ask for the call, you just helped, sent a video, and then let them come to the conclusion on their own. Step 5, what to do when nobody's messaging you yet. Okay, so this is normal, especially in the first couple of weeks, but you can speed up the process. The first move is friend requests. Start sending friend requests to members of the group that you've joined. Now, don't do 100 a day or Facebook's just gonna flag your account. You wanna start with 5 a day for the first week, then bump it up to 10, then 15 the week after that. You don't even need to message them, just add them as friends. This works because right now, people in the group might see you once and then forget about you. But when you're connected, your posts start showing up in their feed. So instead of seeing you once, they see you again and again and again. And familiarity builds trust. So anything that you share on your own profile, a helpful tip, a client result, a quick story about your work, they're going to start seeing it more consistently. The second move is posting in the group. Not just answering questions, but actually creating thoughtful, helpful posts. Now, very important note here. Most groups have rules against promoting your services. So do not post, "Hey, I do marketing, message me." Instead, share something genuinely useful. Maybe a short story about a result you got for a client. Something like, "One of the businesses I work with went from getting 2 reviews a month to 15 just by changing one thing. Here's what they did." But then, important note here, actually explain the one thing they did. Again, remember, you want to provide value. No pitch at the end, no call to action, just pure value. The people who are interested will check out your profile and reach out. The third move is a simple message you can send to anyone in the group. And that message looks like this. "Hey, name, I work with, type of business, and I'm doing some informal research. Just one question. What's your biggest headache when it comes to getting new customers right now?" That's it. Again, no pitch, no offer, just a question. Now, most people answer because it's low stakes, and it feels like you actually care about their answer because you should. And when they tell you their problem, you say, "I actually made a short video about that." And then you upload it directly into Messenger. You see in the pattern here. That move gets somewhere around 30 to 40% of people who actually watch the video to respond and ask how to get started. Not because it's a sales tactic, but because they just watched someone again explain their exact problem and show them how to fix it. Step 6. What to do after someone shows interest. Most people who show interest in working with you won't immediately say, "Yes, sign me up." Instead, they'll say something more like, "That's interesting. Tell me more." But then, of course, life gets in the way. 3 days go by, and they forget you exist. This is the part where most people lose clients they already had. Someone shows interest, you have a great conversation, life gets busy, and 3 weeks later you realize you never followed back up. They've moved on, you didn't even notice. This is where High Level comes in. It's the software I use to run my entire agency. But here I just want to show you a simple pipeline that shows me exactly where every lead stands so nothing ever falls through the cracks. Inside High Level, every person that sends me a message or that I'm having a conversation with gets automatically added as a contact and dropped into a simple pipeline. This way, I can see at a glance who I've reached out to, who I'm waiting to hear back from, and who's close to signing up and becoming a client. Facebook Messenger has no way to do this. You're just scrolling back through old messages hoping that you remember who needs a follow-up. You won't. This, on the other hand, keeps everything in one place, so again, nothing falls through the cracks. And if you don't have this set up yet, that's completely fine. You can do this exact same thing manually. Just set a reminder on your phone for 1 day after, 3 days after, 7 days later, in order for you to follow up with anyone that you're in a conversation with. A simple spreadsheet also works perfectly fine here when you're first getting started. The tool just makes sure that nothing gets missed, and it's especially helpful as you're having more conversations. The important thing, though, is that you do follow up. Most sales happen after the 4th or 5th, sometimes even 6th message, not the first one. Now, if you already have something to sell, fantastic. But if you're just getting started with your agency, the simplest starting point and offer I've found to sell is reputation management, where you help local businesses get more Google reviews automatically. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to set up inside of High Level. The software handles everything, and most businesses will happily pay $197 a month for something that's actively bringing in new customers. So if just 2 of those Facebook group conversations turn into clients, that's almost $400 a month from something that costs you nothing but time. And once you know it works, you just keep showing up. Now let me show you the math on why this simple client getting strategy is worth 30 minutes a day. Join 5 active groups and spend 30 minutes a day total being helpful across all of them. Within the first month, you should be having real conversations with business owners who have expressed some kind of interest. And here's what's different about these clients compared to anyone else that you'd get from sending messages to strangers or running ads. These clients already trust you before you ever talk about pricing. They've seen you be helpful, they've watched your video, they reached out to you, which means they're easier to close, they stay longer, and they're more likely to refer other people. The quality of clients you get from this method is on a completely different level. Oh, and once this is working and you've got some money coming in, there's a whole other level to this strategy. I mean, free Facebook groups are where you start, but think about what happens when you're in a room where everyone has paid to be there. For me, personally, one of the best moves I ever made was joining my local Chamber of Commerce. Same playbook, show up, be helpful, don't pitch anyone, but that alone led to dozens of clients over time. Business owners who already had budgets and already understood the value of marketing. Again, completely different conversation. I also joined another paid in-person group called BNI, which stands for, I think, Business Networking International. It's a referral networking group where you meet with the same business owners every week and refer business to each other. I got dozens more clients through that. And then there's also paid online communities and masterminds where my ideal clients were already hanging out. And again, some of my most profitable and long-term client relationships I've ever had came from those rooms. But don't let any of that distract you from the free strategy. Start there, build momentum, get some money coming in, then level up the room later. Let me be real with you for a second. This takes consistency. You can't show up in a Facebook group once, answer one question, and then expect your inbox to just blow up. The people who make this work are the ones who show up every day for a few weeks and build a reputation in those groups. 30 minutes a day, that's the commitment. The first week is going to feel slow. The second week is going to feel slow too. But by week 3 or 4, you start recognizing names in the group. People start recognizing yours. And then one day, someone messages you and says, "I've been following your comments for a few weeks and I think you might be able to help us." That's the moment. You can't shortcut your way to it, but you can absolutely get there. 2 warnings before you go do this. Warning 1, do not pitch in the comments, ever. Not even subtly, not even feel free to message me. Thinking pure value only here. The moment you pitch in a public comment, you lose the trust of everyone who reads it, not just the person you're replying to. The messages that you're going to get are going to come from the value you provide in your answers. The value has to come first. Warning 2, don't fake expertise you don't have yet. If someone asks a question that you genuinely don't know the answer to, you can skip it, you can use the strategy I showed you earlier to come up with an answer, or you can just say, "I'd love to look into that more before I give you a good answer." Honesty builds way more credibility than a confident wrong answer pretty much every single time. And going to look into something means you actually learn something, which again, is kind of win-win. So the real question is this. Are you willing to spend 30 minutes a day being the most helpful person in a room full of your ideal clients? Or are you going to keep avoiding outreach because it feels awkward and uncomfortable? Because your first client from Facebook groups isn't waiting for you to feel ready. They're in a group right now, asking a question that you know the answer to, or can at least find out. You just haven't shown up there yet. Everything I showed you today, I run through one piece of software called High Level. If you want the follow-up messages, managing your contacts, getting more reviews automatically, all of it already built, I'll get you an extended free 30-day trial, plus my complete agency OS. When you sign up through the link in the descriptions below this video, here's what unlocks. My pre-built system for getting more reviews automatically, one click to install, word-for-word scripts for getting your first or next clients, a 90-day roadmap so you know exactly what to do first, and access to my private community where I answer questions directly. I've used this same platform to build 3 different 7-figure agencies and serve over 1,500 businesses. And today I do it all with 0 employees. And this is the system that made that possible. Links in the description whenever you're ready. And if you want the complete picture, how to package your offer, what to charge, how to turn this into a real agency, I've got a full walkthrough linked up in a video right here. So tap or click that now. See you in there in just a second.